Have a little fun today. You can see that I have a canvas that I've already used. It's just a junk canvas, and that's because I am testing out a new product. It is just a cup. So I am doing a flip cup. I have not done one in forever, so I thought it would be a great time to test this out and show you guys as well. So I'm just going to kind of jump right into it. The colors that I will be using today, the first one here is from Pebeo Studio Acrylics. It's Iridescent Orange Yellow. Another one from Pebeo, and that one is Iridescent Blue Green. Let's see, I have got Prussian Blue from Amsterdam. And from 𝐏𝐑𝐈𝐍𝐄𝐃 Premium, this one is Cobalt Turquoise Hue. And then I also have Folk Art White Pearl. And just the 𝐏𝐑𝐈𝐍𝐄𝐃, I may add, I'm not sure, because I don't know if I'm going to have enough of the Pebeo. And then I also have, in this bottle, I don't have the container, I'm not sure where it is, but it's Folk Art Antique Copper. Alright, so I'm just going to get my gloves on real quick, and we'll go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I've got my gloves on, and I'm super excited to try my new cup. I've got all of my split cups and my spouted cup that I use often, but I wanted to just have a cup that's just for flip cups. They can also be used to mix your colors in as well. This is a 9-ounce cup. So about up to here, you'll get about 8 ounces. So that is a good size to cover a 12 by 12 canvas. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started, and I think I'm going to start with the, I wasn't sure, but now I am. I wasn't sure if I was going to use it, but I think the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to pour this in, and then I'm going to put the Pebeo Iridescent over top of it. And when I do flip cups, I like to pour mine down the side. I don't like to pour directly in because I don't want them all mixing up too much quite yet. So that's how I usually do mine. Alright, and the colors, the paints that I've got are kind of a hodgepodge of pouring mediums, like this one here, and well, most of them, except I think for the two Pebeos, those are mixed with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And then I usually go, it's 50% Liquitex, 40% Floetrol, and 10% water. And then again, the Pebeos, like the orange one that I'm putting in here now, that is mixed with Floetrol and water only. And then I think I did add a little bit of the 𝐏𝐃, the golden 𝐏𝐃 800, because I like to change that up in the summer for the, you know, cracking issue. So I had an issue with that, and usually if I do, I just add a little bit of that golden 𝐏𝐃 800. If you're having an issue, go ahead and try it. And you don't need a lot. I mean, depending on how much that you are making, your quantity of paint. But just for like 4 ounces or so, I mean, a tablespoon would be all you might need. So it's not like you need a ton. All right, and I'm just going to continue to fill this up. And for those of you that are new to my channel, besides being an acrylic pouring artist, I am a 3D maker. I make acrylic pouring tools, and again, this is a new one that I'm testing. Have had a lot of fun designing different very useful acrylic pouring tools. This is another one that I'm super excited to get out there, and I love it. I mean, I haven't done a flip cup in forever, so I'm kind of excited to to try one again. And the colors that I've chosen are colors that may tend to muddy when you add orange and also blue. Those tend to muddy. So the way that I layered mine, I put a complementary color in between each one. So the orange and either one of the blues were never poured directly on each other. I layered them either with the antique copper or the white pearl. That helps to give a little separation, and also to kind of keep them from muddying. And the antique copper should definitely help with that in this case because of the brown. All right, so I'm going to flip it. I used to always just flip it on, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it this way. All right, and you can see I have been playing around already, so I figured why change my paper, and I'm just kind of testing. So if you are seeing it, then my test came out good. So, all right, guys. So here we go. Alright guys, here we go with the dried photos, and I'm pretty happy with the results. I do love these colors together. They can be a little tricky to work with, but you just have to know how to layer them in your cup. And I got a bunch of cells. I didn't use any silicone, so all these cells develop naturally, so you don't need silicone to get cells. It's not required. So leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you prefer to try to get cells naturally, or do you prefer silicone? And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do that now. And give me a thumbs up while you're at it. I really appreciate it. I also appreciate if you share this video. It does really help out my channel. All right, guys, and I do have my flip cups available in my Etsy shop now. They are 5 ounce, 8 ounces, and 12 ounces. Also have some new acrylic pouring tools that are also available. I have some stir sticks and some flower bottle bottoms that are available, so go check that out. My link is in the description. And I also have a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy, and I'll catch you in the next one.